Good luck at YouTube. So today what we're doing, we got a 2016 RC 300 all-wheel drive. Already has a catback and getting exhaust. We're just going to make things a little bit better by putting PPE mid-pipe, PPE headers, and HVS cold air intake. And I believe also PPE provides a flash tune for the car that should get it up to about 300 wheel horsepower from the base 250 that it has now. So we're going to start off by removing the battery, taking the engine cover off, pulling off the air box, and that should give us access to start unbolting the headers. The kit is good because it comes with a full diagram installation kit guide showing you how to put everything in. So I'm not gonna bore you guys to watch me do this, so I'll come back later when we got some more interesting stuff to show you guys.
All right, Giovanni has a nice video for me. Let's get over there and see what he got. And you guys probably already seen the intro, but yeah. Let's go ahead and add my inputs. Alright, we got to the evil lair of Giovanni's crib. What is this? That's my tablet. Okay, so we're gonna give him his couple tools that he needs, like the beast and stuff over there. And yeah, let's see what we got. See how far we got. This is the man himself. This is his car we're working on, finally.
Yeah, man. I've been waiting patiently.
Waiting patiently. And there we go. And Giovanni straight under the car.
YouTube. This is what happens when you never stop modifying.
That's a fact. Never stop modifying.
You're always looking homeless under a car. So
either looking like homeless or looking like a mechanic.
Like a homeless mechanic.
Both. There we go. Yo, look at this special tool I got.
Shit,
That shit's fire.
toys.
That's going to make the job go a lot easier.
We already got the right header in. So
Nice.
basically, we're doing the PPE engineering headers and mid-pipe for this thing.
Gotcha.
Also, they come with a flash tune for the car, so
That's gonna be lit.
it's gonna help out with all the accessories we're putting in. We're putting a cold air intake. The car already has an axle back, so we got one side done. 6 hours.
6 hours and one side done.
Yeah.
All right.
So basically, we just
Oh man.
pull the mid-pipe out.
Let's try and disconnect this shit. I know this shit's gonna get this.
And then the header, we snake the head. We were able to get the bolts from the top and some from the bottom here. And then this header was snaked right out, and then we just put the other one back in.
Okay.
You can see it right here.
Okay, nice. Oh man, I don't think I've ever been inside of a RC engine bay.
Me neither. This is the first time.
Yeah, it's actually
First
pretty
time
nice. I thought it would be a lot more plastic unless you removed all of it.
Yeah.
I thought it would be a lot more plastic than this.
Well, there was a lot of plastic back there.
Yeah, a lot of screws. This manufactured masterpiece.
Oh wow, PPE. That is nice. This looks nice.
Ceramic coated.
Wow, that is nice. Feels really nice, man.
Yeah.
How much this whole kit ran you?
I think about a little over 2,000. They had to do a custom mid pipe because they sold the full exhaust system. So I called them and then let them know that you know, I got the rear exhaust. I just need it from the mid pipe, and they worked with me, and I got it for a little under
Nice.
2,700.
All right, nice. We're out here getting places, and then later on we get to flash this car.
Yeah. Yeah. Once the battery's in.
Once the battery's in. Okay. All right. Let's get to work. So PPE even gave them real nice instructions. It looks like it's, wow, It's a pretty thick book. Very, very vivid. They got pictures, descriptions, all this stuff. I actually prepared for this. This actually might be a really good product. Okay. Okay. If it was in color, it would have been better, but it even comes with an O2 extender. That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Wow, these guys thought of everything. Alright, what are these long tube headers? Alright, let's get to the car. Let's go ahead and give you like a little walk around while we install this. But this is a Lexus RC. Really, really nice. And it's all-wheel drive. RC 300. Already with the NVIDIA cat back. Look at that. Look at that. This car should sound amazing. Alright, definitely the hardest part of the job is the last bolt, which you have to put on first, but tighten it up last. Yeah, put it on first, but tighten it up last. It's like all the way. If you guys got the headers out in your hand, you'll see, but damn. The best way to get it is putting your arm all the way in the back housing and just, you know, I don't even think you can see it on camera. Everything.
Light. I got your, I see your hand.
You see my hand?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, let me see. The best way to get it is to stick your arm all the way down the firewall with the 12 wrench. And that's the only way you can get it. Now back to Giovanni.
What you working on over here?
Getting ready to take out the other header.
Damn, this shit's hard.
Just taking things out the way to have more clearance. This side's gonna be a lot harder than that side.
Look at that. That's ingenuity right there. It's a copper pipe. Look at that. Taken off. It has been removed. The O2 sensor. It's gone.
Copper pipe.
The copper pipe.
Leverage.
The breaker bar.
There's some straight country shit.
Yo.
With the swivel.
The swivel works, man. The swivel's...
Swivel, yo, my guy. I don't know how I went so long without one of these things.
Really?
I don't know how I put the turbo in my car without one of these things.
I own like 6 of those because those are the
truth.
Those are the
Because
truth.
you need them.
Those are the truth, man.
Okay.
I don't think I have a broken one yet.
You know
either.
what was an ordeal to unplug too?
What?
The O2 sensor plug.
Oh, you gotta go under?
They're behind the motor.
Oh, so you gotta go under.
That side was an ordeal. I don't even know where this one is.
How do I... Alright guys, 3 hours later, I don't know, about more or less 2. We got both sides on. Definitely an ordeal. Not really much to explain, it's more or less straightforward. Right, Gio? More or less straightforward.
Yep.
You got all the pipes. Well, you can't really see shit, but you got all the pipes down there bolted up. Now we're gonna get started on this intake. This intake is from HPS. Looks good quality. Looks good quality. I gotta see how it goes on, but yeah, come back to you when this is installed because this is just an intake. Super simple. All right, we buttoned up everything. Nice HPS. You sure? You sure you want? He's running. Nice HPS intake. Headers installed. Both sides. Pipes. Everything. All right. Let's load this tune and start it up. There we go. Alright. Oh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, man, give it a nice warm up and then you rev it.
Yeah. That shit sounds like a major difference, man.
RC 300, we did it. It's back together. We did it.
When I turned it on initially, when it turned off?
Yeah. Alright, shut it off. Now it's time to upload this tune. You ready, Giovanni? You ready? Oh damn, what the hell you doing down there? Plugging in that OBD2 for the tune?
Yep.
Oh shit. Alright, this man's in there hard at work tuning. Oh shit.
Loaded.
Loading the tunes.
Yeah, I had to have the ignition on.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I thought just turning on the dashboard was good enough, but you have to have it on the ignition on. So right now,
Gotcha.
downloading the file.
Downloading the file. You guys gonna see it. Let's see. Damn. There we go. Yeah, boy.
Again, written poorly.
Written poorly. Oh,
yeah.
God.
What can you expect? But
Figured. All right, the tune is officially on. It started up, bro. Sounds definitely different than the last time.
yeah.
It sounds a bit more deeper than the last time. Oh man. Ain't this some shit?
Sounds good.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. You said what? Alright guys, we're gonna end it off at the famous Halal Bros in New York. With our face masks on. Right, Mike?
Hope it's not a game. Don't listen to them.
It's not a game, you heard? Alright, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget, never stop modifying.